Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether the Redmi Note 9 Pro actually supports the Type-C earphones or not. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description, friends, for the live wallpapers what I'm using currently. So even you can find the playlist for the Redmi Note 9 Pro and other smartphones. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number given, friends, and just send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel and like the video as well, friends. So click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and you can send me the screenshot and you can ask the query what you're having regarding the smartphone. Definitely I'll be trying to reply to you as soon as possible. So even if you want me to do any other test as well, do let me know, friends. I'll be trying to write down the list, and I'll definitely try to do these kind of videos as well. So let's check, friends, in this video whether the Type-C earphones actually do support in the Redmi Note 9 Pro or not. So this can be same applicable for the even for the 9 Pro Max as well, friends. So both the phones are using same kind of all the specifications, so definitely this should work even for Pro Max. So right now I'm using the Samsung's earphones, Type-C earphones AKG, as you can see here. So let me connect the Type-C earphones and let's see what notification will you get here. So at the moment there is no notifications, friends. So let me try to connect it. So as soon as you connect it, you'll get this kind of notification pairing the audio via USB, as you can see, friends. So you'll get this notification, that means the audio is now playing through the Type-C earphones. You got the indication, and here you can choose the buttons as well. If your earphones has a button, you can choose increase or decrease volume, and even you can choose the controlling the music as well. For example, increasing, if you press the button, the next song will be played, and if you press the lower button, the previous song will be played. And let's check by playing one of the audio, friends, what you get here. So let me try to play the ringtone. So now we can hear the sound from the earphones, friends, at the moment. So overall, the Type-C earphones are working in the 9 Pro device, friends, Redmi Note 9 Pro, and definitely subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And meanwhile, check the links in description for the live wallpapers playlist, so you can find very useful live wallpapers and definitely very good Android applications as well. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel, Sai Tech Guru. So even you can see the perfect wallpaper for the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So where is a punch hole camera, so which will be definitely useful if you are using this kind of wallpapers for the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.